Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 12 Simsbury Lane in Pittsford. This is a California cool-style contemporary home that has been totally updated to perfection and has a dream backyard. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. Welcome family and friends with a stamped concrete courtyard, leading to a spacious foyer with great natural light and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to an expansive formal living room with floor-to-ceiling windows, and formal dining room, perfect for hosting the big get-togethers. A stunning white and bright eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a center island breakfast bar with granite countertops. Open to a vaulted ceiling family room with a gorgeous fireplace, hardwood floors, and access to the covered patio. The first floor also features a convenient cubby area, powder room, and laundry room or potential office. Enjoy additional space in the finished lower level with a media and gaming area. While the upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 totally updated bathrooms, including a primary suite with a walk-in closet, hardwood floors, and a stunning bathroom with gold accents. Let the good times begin in this entertainer's dream backyard. With an expansive deck with multiple sitting areas, the ultimate covered stamped concrete patio with a cathedral wood ceiling, shaded sitting areas, and a hot tub overlooking the sprawling, fully fenced-in backyard. Plus, a sports court. Let's go! This property is conveniently located minutes to the village of Pittsford. Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 12 Simsbury Lane in Pittsford, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here.